we're going to find the actual limit. The limit as x approaches 2. And then we'll also find the limit as x approaches infinity, because that's what the horizontal asymptote is, vertical asymptote in any removable discontinuity. So we'll start with 1. First thing you need to do to find this limit is factor it. So go ahead and factor it, stop, and then factor it. Okay, the first bit of factoring was I had to do difference of squares here, and then I had to do x box on the bottom. But if you notice, I'm going to have to do difference of squares again. Why? That's right, because this guy right here becomes x minus 2x plus 2. This part right here, not factorable. It's complex. Next question, what crosses off, right? This stuff crosses off, good. Now, remember, I'm finding the limit as x approaches 2, so I'm not doing anything but that yet. That means as soon as I can plug in 2, that's good. Because when I started, I got 0 over 0. If I don't get 0 over 0 anymore, I'm in good shape. I can go and plug this in and find this limit. So for number 1, I got 32 over 5, and that's the limit. Now let's find the limit as x approaches infinity. As x approaches infinity, that means I look at the largest stuff. Just the largest on top, and just the largest on the bottom. What can I cross off? Good, that's right. I cross this stuff off, this stuff off. I'm left with the limit as x approaches infinity of x to the 4th over x squared. Which one's bigger? That's right. The one on top is bigger, and since that's bigger, we know that the limit goes to infinity, which means that it doesn't exist. So that means we know that we have, right over here, we have none. We have no horizontal asymptotes. Okay, well, we actually already did all the factoring work. To find the vertical asymptote and removable discontinuities, we've got to factor, but we did that work up here. Was there anything I crossed off? Yes. What did I cross off? The x minus 2. So we set that equal to 0. That's the thing I crossed off. Solve for x. I get x equal to 2. What is that? I crossed it off. That means I removed it. That means it's a removable discontinuity. What's left on the bottom? That's right. X plus 3, only thing that's left on the bottom. I set that equal to 0. Solve for x. X is a negative 3. That's my asymptote.